warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you, your Indonesian? Hopefully everything is in a healthy state and always blazing the spirit of nationalism in the show. There is a saying that if you don't know person, how can you love that person? My name is Cynthia Yu Anggraini, or commonly called Tia. I was born on July 30, 2001 in Banjarbaru, Kalimantan Selatan. Lively and grow up in Kalimantan Selatan for 19 years. I currently study at University Sanata Dharma in Yogyakarta. That's all for the introduction that I can make in this speech. Furthermore, allow me to be able to deliver my speech about informative speech American Revolution. The topic is American Revolution. The American Revolution lasted from 1765 to 1783. There were several factors behind this revolution, namely the notion of freedom in politics and trade, the emergence of various schemes of tax, and the events of the Boston Tea Party. The American Revolution is often known as America's War of Independence against Britain. In 1763, Britain won the war against France. As a result, they acquired French lands and colonies in America. When Britain controlled America, this understanding of the freedom of the colonies was contrary to the notion of the British government, which felt that the colony was a colony. The British government also considered that they controlled the colonies in America and had the right to monopolize the market. However, the colonies rejected the existence of this monopoly rule and wanted freedom of trade. In addition, the colonies in America were subject to various kinds of burdensome taxes, such as the tea tax and the sugar tax. They felt aggrieved because, even though they paid taxes, the people of the colony had no representation in the British Parliament. They started to protest in 1765. In 1773, the Boston Tea Party incident occurred, which further led to the American Revolution. At that time, the British government brought tea to Boston Harbor in America. They then revoked all administrative rights of the colony in 1774. The American masses did not accept it. War finally broke out between the British colonies and the British Empire. In 1781, the British Empire finally declared its surrender and signed a peace memorandum 2 years later. The American Revolution had its implications for the world. This revolution became a motivation or impetus for other nations to gain independence and oppose war. In addition, the American Revolution also made the war that the Royal Constitution called the opposite. And the last effects of the American Revolution. 1. Politics. In America itself, freedom from the status of a British colony was a great advance. The use of a democratic system in the name of the people's interest in running the government also has a positive impact on the nation. 2. Economy. America, which had been a British colony for many years, was under economic pressure due to the very high taxes imposed by Britain. It was for this reason that after the American Declaration of Independence, their unreasonable tax burden disappeared and the economy gradually came back into balance. 3. Social. The idea of freedom is again the main reason. The American people, who are well aware of individual freedom, also come up with a declaration. The Declaration of Human Rights, which contains respect for human rights, is included in the US Constitution, which become the Bill of Rights. And the last is culture. The cultural level of the United States is classified as advanced. This is proven by the advancement of technology. The United States, after its independence, also did not eliminate the learning culture that had existed since the colonial era. So many of my informative speeches about the American Revolution. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you for watching.